Now, some of you might be saying that, oh, she relies too much on the delay effect. Well, you might be right, and I may be crazy, but I just might be the lunatic you're looking for. So, in case you're just thinking that, it's fair. It's fair. I do use it a lot. I like that rhythmic, percussive effect. But I'm just going to play straight through an amp with a little reverb. So, just hold on one moment. I don't know what that was about. That was just like a mental fucking glitch.